morning and welcome to Erika's Best Morning Edition. So this morning I am making some homemade biscuits for my family for breakfast. They are still asleep, so we're going to be quiet. So right here in the bowl I have 5 cups of flour with 1 cup of butter that I have been pushing into the flour. And when it's done, you should be able to do this. So if you're able to grab a ball and push it together, then you're probably okay. So I started with cold flour and cold butter. And so now I'm going to add in 5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, and I'm just going to mix that, give that a quick little mix. Quick little mix. Now I'm going to create a well, which is just pushing your flour to the sides and making a little dip down in the middle of it. And I have some cold milk here, 1.5 cups, and I'm going to add that milk, all of that milk inside, with 2 eggs. So it's coming together very nicely, and I'm just mixing it together with my hands. You don't want to work this dough too much because you don't want your biscuits to be tough. But you want to dig down and make sure you get all the flour mixed in. And then it comes into a nice ball. So now I'm going to get a spatula. So you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And I just did. I put it in the oven, or I put my pan in the oven already because I want some melted butter on the inside of my pan. And you can eyeball it. It was about maybe a tablespoon or 2. So you want to get all your biscuit batter out, and then you can put that aside. And I just have a couple tablespoons of flour that I'm just going to put out here on this surface, just to knead this a little bit. But you don't want to work it too much because you want this mixture to stay as cold as possible. That's why you're using cold flour and cold butter and cold milk. So once it comes together into a nice ball, then I will roll them out and put them in my pan. So I took my pan out of the oven that I was melting the butter in, and now I'm just going to cut out my biscuits, give them a little flip in the butter, so they're nice and buttery delicious. And fill up my pan. Who doesn't love fresh biscuits in the morning? I haven't done this in a long time, but I wanted to do it today. I don't know, I was in the mood for a biscuit. So, here I go. So this morning I couldn't find my cookie cutter, but you can use anything round. I'm using a mason jar lid that I had, or ring that I had, and but you can use anything, whatever size biscuits you want to make, you can make them. So this, I have some extra, and I'll just reshape this and make some more biscuits. But for now, I'll put these in the oven and let them start baking. We're going to bake these for our biscuits are baked and they're hot, and I'm just gonna try some with some of my homemade strawberry pineapple jam. And give it a taste. Light, fluffy, buttery.
Come on, no, don't
Delicious to complement with any breakfast that you might have. So thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video.